Moaning son of a bitch. Chewy! Dang, Chewy. Chloe, don't sniff his dick. Chloe, don't sniff his dick. He's smaller than you. You do not appreciate that. Especially when he masturbates alone. So freaking gross. Look at that. Ugh. So gross. It's out. It's out. That's so gross. Oh my god. So you're really gonna do it by yourself when there's a girl right there? And just go home? Really? You're a freaking perv, Chloe. I mean Chewy. Sorry, goodest. Chloe, who's a good girl? Who's my baby girl? Chewy, you're a little freaking whore. What? You going back to her now? Really? You freaking pervert?